Upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. The first pig was lazy and built his house of straw. The second pig worked harder and built his house of sticks. The third pig was smart and built his house of strong bricks. A big, hungry wolf came along. He huffed and puffed and blew down the straw house. The first pig ran to the stick house. The wolf blew down the stick house too. The 2 scared pigs ran to the brick house. The wolf huffed and puffed, but he could not blow down the brick house. It was too strong. The wolf tried to trick the pigs, but they were too clever. He tried to climb down the chimney, but the third pig had boiling water waiting. The wolf yelped and ran away, never to bother the pigs again. They lived safely and happily in the brick house.